Your WASSCE results are out, and you can check them right now on your own phone in under 2 minutes. No agent, no fee to any connect man. Let me show you the exact steps for Ghana and Nigeria. Welcome to naseg-learn, free help for WASSCE and BECE students across West Africa. Watch to the end, because I'll show you how to avoid the scammers who steal money from candidates every results season. Before you start, you need 3 things: your index number and a valid WAEC result checker, which is your serial number and your 12-digit PIN. In Ghana, buy the e-voucher by dialing *713*3998# or from buycheckercodes.com.gh. In Nigeria, buy a WAEC scratch card or e-PIN from the official portal or an approved dealer. Keep that serial and PIN private. If you're in Ghana, open your browser and go to ghana.weekdirect.org. Enter your index number. Select the exam type, WASSCE. Choose your exam year, 2026. Enter the serial number from your voucher, then the 12-digit PIN. Confirm your details, click Submit, agree to the consent, and wait. Your results appear in a pop-up. Then screenshot or download your results slip. If you're in Nigeria, go to weekdirect.org. Enter your 10-digit examination number. That's your center number plus your candidate number. Select your exam year, then the exam type. Enter the card serial number and the PIN. Click Submit and your result loads. There's also an SMS option. Send the word WAEC, your exam number, your PIN, the year to 32327. Now the most important part. WAEC will never upgrade or change your results for money. Anyone who promises to boost your grades for a fee is a fraudster. Forged results always get exposed. Only ever use the official portals. Never share your serial and PIN on WhatsApp or social media. Protect yourself. That's how you check your WASSCE results safely, step by step. Thinking about what's next, choosing a senior high school, or applying to university. We've got free guides for all of it at naseg-learn.exams.letaido.app. Link in the description. Subscribe to naseg-learn so you're ready when the next results drop. Congratulations and good luck.